Hi everyone, my name is Nur Amira Azni binti Azwan. Today I would like to talk about social issue that being a common serious issue nowadays. The article that I had been choose is committing suicide. Committing suicide or attempting suicide is one of the issue that we had to take a serious about it. The first article is from the New Straits Times. There are over 2,000 suicide cases in the past 4 years. From the New Straits Times article, there are more 500 cases of people committing suicide or attempting suicide every year for the 4 years. The reason why people committing suicide is because maybe stress or depression. It could be financial issues, family or friend relationship problems, maybe because of their studies, or maybe because they had been through some experience like sexual harassment. Netizens should not make suicide as a normal thing. It is not normal at all. Depression is the first signs of people who will committing suicide. People who are suffered with depression need to consult or meet counselor or maybe psychiatrist to reduce their problems. This method could reduce the attempting suicide cases in Malaysia. Other than that, family members also play a vital role in preventing suicide. Depression is not a joke. It is a serious matter that people should take care about it. In this modernization lifestyle, government had been create one organization to help someone who has suffered with depression, which is Befriender KL. Befriender would provide emotional support and listen to those with suicide thoughts. This could help to reducing the cases or maybe to reduce the depression cases. So, in my opinion, me, myself and I, or maybe the netizen, should give a moral support to someone who have a sign of depression to protect them from being suicide.
Hi, my name is Nur Gamarina binti Adam. Today I would like to talk about depressed student allegedly commit suicide in Seremban City's academic stress. From the article, it's about a student commit suicide by jumping off a building in Seremban despite scoring 10 A's in SPM. The student could not deal with the stress and pressure from the outside and need to excel in her studies and succumb to depressions. It's also she also was afraid of disappointing her parents and was under heavy pressure to fulfill their parents' wants. In my opinion, from this article, parents should play a important role to their kids, and also family members should advise and encourage the family members who is under pressure. That's all. My first opinion about an article titled "Suicide on the Rise Among Malaysian Youth." The article talk about suicide is more common among older people, but the research shows that suicide is the second leading cause of death for youth between the age of 15 and 29 in Malaysia. Youth generation mostly does not think twice. All they want is and the emotional pain that they are feeling with suicides. When there is nothing else work and they don't find solution for a problem, commit suicide comes to mind. My next opinion is about most of the young people have low self-esteem due to mocking from friends and no one encourage them to do better or solve their problems.
Plus, another trigger is a broken relationship. Although with support and help, they tend to feel better after a considerable period of time. Toxic relationship also can cause committing suicide or attempting suicide. You, as a partner, you should comfort or maybe you should make your partner feel better when they are in sad or they have problems, maybe in their works or maybe with their family. You should make them feel safe. In Malaysia, higher suicide rate was found among the young below 30, while married women were also a higher risk. In these cases, I want to say that a married woman have a lot of problem and they maybe had a depression in order to overcome their problem. As a husband, you should know when your wife feels sad or not in the mood. Even though you are busy, even though you are tired from work, there is no reason you should not ask them about their problems. They have problems, then so do you. In my opinion, communication is a key. Even though you are fighting or what, you should communicate and solve your problems. This could decrease your wife's depression. Our last opinion from this article, someone who are fighting with depression should
not vomit their problems in social media because of people doesn't care about all your problems. All they have is condemning you as a attention seeker.
So the solution is when you had a problem, you should find someone who can hear all your problems, such as an example, psychiatrists, counselors, family members, or maybe you can use a befriend KL as a method to solve your problems. Thank you.